What's happening, everybody? Welcome back to Tavian's World of Reptiles. Just doing a little update here. We got Lil Iro. Check him out. He is going into blue. His eyes is getting super cloudy. He's looking good. He ate not too long ago, so not really surprised. He's a monster eater, and he's looking great. So that's him. But coming on down here, we gonna peek in here real quick. Show you this bad boy. Alright, here we go. So, also in blue is Zuko here. Both my little baby boys are in blue. They're growing strong. He's also growing to be a really good eater. I mean, actively taking food from the tongs now, too, because that is something he would not do before. Sorry about that. He would not take food from the tongs. I just kind of had to leave food and walk away, and he would eat it, but he's getting to become such a good eater that he now happily takes food from the tongs, and that is nice. So, yeah, he's in blue. Both my baby boys are in blue. So yeah, just a quick update on them. Oh yeah, hold on. Alright, so the last time I talked to you guys about a snake being in blue, it was Artemis. Well, I forgot to update you guys a few weeks ago. Not a few weeks ago, like a week ago. She finally dropped her shed. So there it is, you guys. It's all crumbled up now. Hold on, let me get a little better. Alright, there it is. It's good. It's huge. Look at this thing. Look at this. Let me get the head. That is the head. Okay. So this is the head. This snake comes well down to my feet. Alright. This is easily a 7-foot shed. Well past my foot. Okay. Yeah, about a 7-foot shed. So, that's the second one she's given me. It's a beast. Here's the other one. There's 2 of them. There's 2 sheds. 2 big old giant sheds from Artemis. I mean, look how massive these are. Look at that. So, yeah. Artemis dropping them sheds. She's looking good. It's going to be time for her to eat. So, the next time y'all see her, it will be in a feeding video, which is probably going to happen the next day. Probably, yeah, tomorrow. I'm going to do it tomorrow because it's Saturday, so I'm going to do it tomorrow. She needs to eat. So, yeah. Just wanted to give you guys a quick little update on what's happening with the animals. Test out the new camera a little bit. You know, show you guys what's happening. I know, I bet you that skin was probably really bad in the camera being right there. I'm not sure if I'll put that in there. But, yeah, anyway. Alright, you guys have a great night. Love yourselves. Love your reptiles. Take care of yourselves. Take care of your loved ones. And keep spreading those herbs.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.